Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to hard and factory reset your Motorola phones. In this video we will learn this guys. So for this guys, first you need to remove your SIM cards from your phone like this. So I am using Motorola One Fusion Plus. So you can follow this process on your another Motorola phone. Same process you can follow. So let's get started. To reset your phone from the buttons, you need to press and hold your power key button like this, and press the volume down key button at a time for few seconds. Hold it like this and it will restart your phone. So just hold it for few seconds until you will get the next screen like this. Here you can get this type of screen on your phone. From the volume buttons, use the volume down and up button. To select next option, you need to select the option from here, restart bootloader. You need to select this option. After this guys, use power key to select that particular option. Okay, after this guys, just you need to press the power key button to start that process like this, and it will restart your phone. So here you don't need to disturb your phone, so wait for few seconds. It will take some time to complete this process. In case if you are facing this type of a message on your phone guys, as you can see guys, now what you need to do, you need to press and hold your power key button like this. So just hold it for few seconds, and now you need to press volume up key button for few seconds. Okay, don't leave it until you will get this type of screen. Okay, now it will start the resetting process. Now you need to select the factory reset from this option. Use the volume buttons to select next option. Here you need to select wipe data factory reset and then press power button. Now same thing, you need to select factory data reset, just select it and press power button. That's it. Now it will start the actual resetting process on your phone. So now here same, it will take some time to complete the resetting process of your phone. So please don't disturb your phone. After the resetting process was completed, it will start your phone automatically. As you can see guys, now our phone was completely turned on. It means our phone was completely reset. So this is the easy and simple method to reset any Motorola phones with the buttons. So that's it for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.